Designed for high-density environments where space is a premium. 3.0 mm outer diameter provides slimmer profile for flexible routing. Meets the ANSI TIA568C. 2 standard. 28AWG fluorines pure bare copper conductors, 50U gold-plated contacts. Snagless molded design provides strain relief and protection while maximizing on bending radius. 50% smaller outer jacket diameter. Slimmer profile increases airflow for high-density environments like data centers or server rooms for improved cooling. Reduce cable management by simplifying moves, additions, and changes. Lower operating costs with a lighter and more flexible cable. 28AWG fluorines pure bare 100% copper conductors. 50 micrometers gold-plated contacts. Snagless narrow profile boot design. Molded design provides strain relief and protection while maximizing on bending radius. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality, easy to run and manage. Good quality patch cable. The slim cable design makes it easy to run and makes cable management very simple. No problems with performance, they work very well. The plug clips in well and holds in place. I definitely recommend and would purchase these again.